G'day folks, today I've got a couple of GoPro cases that I'm kind of excited to show you. I know sometimes case review videos can be kind of boring. The problem with cases that I have found in the past is when you buy them, they always come with that pre-cut foam or they're molded. And to me, they're not very useful because they're laid out the way they think they should be laid out. You can't really customize them too much. You know, sometimes they have a spot for 3 GoPros, but you might only be bringing 1 GoPro, and then the other spots kind of get wasted and don't really fit what you want. If you want to put a gimbal in a case, like that's usually not possible because there's no cutouts for it. But these ones are a little bit different, and they actually come in 2 sizes. They have a smaller one and a larger one. So let's take a look at the larger one first. Before we get into the case, let's take a quick look at the outside. 2 zippers, handle there. There's no strap with it. The zippers look to be fairly good quality. It's kind of a mix of a hard and soft case, so it does kind of have a very rigid shell. So you do have a bit of crush protection with it as well. But on the inside here is where it gets really interesting because instead of having pre-cut foam, it's padded and they have these straps. So you can really lay this out however you want. You can pack whatever gear you want. So yeah, let's pack some stuff in here and we'll see what all we can fit. Now I'm going to start with a gimbal because I always like to bring a gimbal with me when I'm on holidays because, the footage just turns out that much nicer. So we can start by maybe putting it in right there. And I like to bring a floating hand grip with me when I'm on holidays because you never know when you're going to be filming in the water. Let's put the super suit in right there. We have our GoPro right here. Our dual battery charger. Right over here, I'm going to put my Insta360 I always like to bring a 360 camera. And actually, I'm going to put the GoPro in its frame. And then we'll put that in there like that. So, there's lots of space for cabling, buckle mounts, thumb screws, power bank up here in this pocket. Maybe I'll put another GoPro in right there. Maybe another extension piece. So you can see I've got quite a bit in here already, and everything fits in there nicely. And still lots more room. This whole side of the pocket there is empty. We could still put little pieces, more parts down there. So yeah, I actually really like that. You can lay it out exactly how you want it. You can fit a gimbal, 360 cameras. Quite often when I go away, I bring a backpack and I have everything in there. But there's those times, when you don't bring a backpack, you just have a suitcase. Something like this fits better in a suitcase. Doesn't take up as much room. It's not as bulky. And yeah, so definitely that will come in handy. And like I said, they do have this little smaller one here. So maybe if you're just going on a day trip, you don't need to bring all that much stuff. You could bring your batteries, your battery charger, GoPro there, your floating hand grip, some extra batteries, and you could fit a power bank up in the top up here. Just like so. And there you got a nice little kit, customized the way you want it. So yeah, folks, I will leave the links to these 2 products down in the description if you'd like to go and check them out further. They're reasonably priced, which is always good. Sometimes things get a little expensive in life, but these I found to be at a decent price for what you get. Well, folks, that's basically it for this video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of this style of strap case. It's always interesting to hear feedback from my subscribers. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you in the next one.